Ka kunhun jong ka sur Jingkyrmen Society mentakasi ka arpo artrek Jumang kala Plie bakno ka Treatment and Counselling Center ha Nongpoh Shopping Complex. Ka jintemu jong ka Treatment and Counselling Center kalong banyarap ikibreu ki bala kerni ka jindi penbuat ki bekenthop nandu ka kiat drug bat kiwe bat kumju ru ban ai mensem ikibreu ki badana pen ka jindo Jingkyrmen da ka ba ajinya selok ka bakerpang. Ya kata Treatment and Counselling Center lawan ban Plie do ba Meral Bons MLA ka Nongpoh constituency haka jinder rengkat ba Bolingdo asas terang ba snong ka Nongpoh ba Justin Maring President ka Sur Jingkyrmen Society uba Neil J Kongwer General Secretary ki dikhot jong ka society lambat kiwe
inaugurate ka officially ni apa Plie ka kum ki kentin ke ku kerdo na sngo ban ai ke din kuble ka bakarpang na kam tai dum ya kane ka din don men sim dum pi ban shim ya kane ke senjam na kam tai kum kini ki tekka kamlong ka besuk ban persya na kam ta ban pensufu awareness ane ban ai counseling ban pensufu ya ki babun ki parang som di jungi khamtam di belang nop lagi di drop lani ki di penbuat ki babun rukom lani ki bangat haki jingsha banben kum kajing sha batwor ki kelum ki kena bat ki ki jing stil ki babun ki badan hakane ki imlang salang ka bangi ngiyat lengba hakane ka perthei ka bamutlok bat ka bakundren kamlong ko besuk denre nagalian jumpi kum ki dekat filashim ya kane ke senjam kade sisha ka bande ban ai ki dingero ya fi ki dekat ba kani ka kam de ka kam ga bani ano kam de ka kam bani kamai bisa ngitip ya fi ki dekat apa kiseng ya kono society denre ni hapan ai gi hiro ya kane ke mensim ke baki pidon film shop la nyo ye gi ke ibaro kande ti IT ya lagi jong kapor ya lagi jong gi don gi em pat ku ta te na ga banta gane gi tumu go ba banda gi babun gi nong song gi jong gi kindon ya gi mut gi perkhat ka ba ku ki perkhat ngam baratin manong bagi melang salam jong gi na khamba Degi susu biang-biang ki babun ki nong song ki jungi. Kidang don kam ya ki persusu ki patai. Nakalian jongki ki sinjam ka bisim ki don kat berarti kum society. Anji por ki banwan ki don kam lo ki don ban persuno. La banwan ini op penirat ki kan pelak ki lai don kat. Bat ki society, bat ki SAG, bat ki group paper. Iba la persang bantre ya ki kamon sobha iba nyerap na gabenta imlang kesalang itu.
The main idea of opening this particular society, Kasur Jingkyrmen Society, came into place in the month of December 2022. With myself, Banil, Vincent, Justin, and some other board members coming together to try to solve the drug menace problem that we are facing very widely in almost all districts of Meghalaya. So having said that, the first step towards attaining that goal would be for us to open a treatment and counseling center, which we have done today. Hopefully in the near future we will also be able to have our own rehabilitation center within Riboy district, where the fees and charges will be very less compared to other private centers, very expensive. Okay, so we are trying to provide a very minimum, cost-effective treatment plan for all people who are suffering from addiction, alcoholic and also drug abuse. Because presently what is in place all over Meghalaya and Shillong is very expensive. Going to hospital comes to 30,000-40,000 rupees per visit for them to have a basic detoxification. So we want to bring it down so that at least those people who cannot afford, who are from below the poverty line, they can afford that kind of treatment. And our main vision and goal is not only particularly like Meral had said earlier, to do only with addiction. We are also looking into women's rights. We are also looking into adolescent mental health and SRHR, which is reproductive health rights. and we just want society to become a better place. What I have noticed, I work extensively in Shillong. So the drug situation over there has become so huge that you have children who are as young as 12, 13 years old injecting drugs. Right. So, having being now I have settled in Riboy district in Nongpoh. I don't want the same situation to arise in Nongpoh and things to be in such a bad condition where even if we try to make an impact, it will be of no use. So we have to try to lower that demand of drugs that is coming into society now, so that we do not reach that stage where even if we open a center later on, it will just be like a business plan. It will not really be doing any good for anyone.